Looking for a beautiful way to experience Vermont? The Vermont Rail Trail system is the perfect way to discover the wonders of our state. These gently rolling, smooth gravel pathways are ideal for walking, cycling and e-biking, adaptive cycling, skiing, snowshoeing, snow sledding, and horseback riding. They connect historic towns and villages with the treasures of Vermont's vast landscape and can be enjoyed all year round. Revel in the mountain views, rolling fields, and quiet forests. And just off the trail, you can stop, dine, and explore. With multiple trailheads and parking lots, finding a place to start is as easy as the mellow terrain. The Vermont Rail Trail system is comprised of 4 different trails: the Lamoille Valley Rail Trail, the Missisquoi Valley Rail Trail, the Delaware and Hudson Rail Trail, and the BB Spur Trail. The Lamoille Valley Rail Trail is New England's longest rail trail. It stretches 93 miles across Vermont, from St. Johnsbury to Swanton. The Missisquoi Valley Rail Trail is a 26-mile trail connecting St. Albans to Richford. The Delaware and Hudson Rail Trail is a former railroad in western Rutland and Bennington counties that covers 19.8 miles. And finally, the BB Spur Trail follows the eastern shore of Lake Memphremagog for 4 miles up to Vermont's border with Canada. Each trail section offers a truly unique experience that is distinctly Vermont. So find out what moves you on the Vermont Rail Trail system. There's truly something for everyone.